Hello guys, I will be working on iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is not turning on. Not charging. Okay, let's try charging it now. See what happens. Nothing. Okay, not charging. So the next thing is what we should do next. Let's check if we have got any volt. This is the one. Let's see what we get here. Nothing. And let's check. Oh, that can't be right. Do you see? Okay, let me explain it to you now. So negative and positive, very low resistance, is it? Okay, in that case we should get if we connect it with our DC power supply, that means input short. Okay, so I'm giving it 2 amps and for me now it should show full. Yeah, it's showing full short on the DC power supply, taking 2 amps straight away. Okay. It could be difficult, it could be easy, we don't know. I have to open the board view. So here we are. So this one is ground, and this one here is our positive line, and we have got, looks like coils and some resistors here. Let me find out if we are lucky enough, maybe some of these resistors are faulty, otherwise. Okay, let's check it. So I will remove this gasket here to check.
Screen replacement. Well, what do you charge? 16 each.
So we have got 2 resistors here. Which is on VCC battery line. Did I break it? Looks like I did. Okay. They both look okay to me. So if we come back here, we have got these two cap here, which both looks okay. And then U4000 and rest of these some components under that metal sheet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to apply some amps under the thermal cam. I have to remove this plate anyway, but what I'm going to do, I'm gonna apply 2 amps. Maybe if one of these caps are shorted, they will burn out, and we can have a easy fix. Let's see. Okay, oh sorry, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, so I applied 2 amps. Looks like okay, I have taken it here, so let's come back here now. Here, let's see what happened here. Did we burn the shorted cap? No more short here on the positive. This is ground. So now the next thing is and where are you? Okay. Now let's check if it's charging. Yep. Do you see here? Yep. Okay, let's see now. Here. Most probably there was, I have to check here if one of these are burnt out, or if not one of these, maybe inside here there was few caps, maybe those burnt out. Could not resist to 2 amps and just smoked away. Okay, so very nice. Okay, that's all done. Thank you very much for watching. Was a easy repair. Bye.